family law is about generational change. I believe that if you can put a family on the right course, that the lasting impacts you have are for generations. So that's the work that we're trying to do. Yes, we're trying to represent as many people as possible through the family law system, but we're impacting families here, and every single one of the attorneys here are so committed to that cause. Our attorneys are doing is beyond just providing legal advice. It is providing this family peace. It's providing this family a new direction. It is providing a survivor with safe haven. It is, advocating for children. Family law can be so contentious, and with an attorney, the chances of this family being set on a better path is so far increased. I'm so privileged to be working with the best staff. Our staff attorneys, being a family law attorney is hard work, and our staff attorneys work so hard. And every single one of our staff members truly understands what an impact St. Andrew has on our community. As we see time and again, clients that come in and say, without St. Andrew Legal Clinic, we wouldn't have been able to get, legal help, and they just see that.
When I was growing up, my dad had actually gone to law school, and he always told me that being a lawyer is like being a doctor. You're there to solve people's problems. And that always stuck with me, and even when I was struggling in law school, when I was studying for the bar exam, when I got a death threat from opposing party on a case, I just remember that the work I did was important, and it was helping people have better lives. It was helping people enter a new life chapter of their lives, and a chapter where they could be happier. Brenda Schultz was actually one of the first cases I got when I came here to St. Andrew Legal Clinic from down in Eugene. She was an elderly woman who needed help, where her ex-husband had stopped actually paying his spouse's support entirely. Brenda had a lot of medical issues, and she was actually having to rely on the goodwill of her friends and family to actually provide for herself and all of her needs.
My divorce was in 2003, and I've had to go to court 3 times over that time to continue to get support. I don't know what I would have done without St. Andrew's Legal Clinic, because my income is so low I could not afford another attorney. So they have been there to support me and get me through horrible times.
Our clients are some of the most underprivileged in Portland. 50% of our clients earn less than $16,000 every year. Of that 50%, 40% of our clients are from a historically underprivileged group, such as BIPOC or people experiencing a disability. And those people that are earning $16,000 on average are supporting 2 children.
It's been a long haul. COVID caused a lot of problems. It made things drag out. But I've always had Marissa having my back, getting me through the hard times.
Brenda was honestly a fantastic client to work with. She was about maybe 90 pounds soaking wet. She had just a lot of health issues and very elderly. I think opposing counsel and I both kind of knew that with both of our clients, it was really a race against time to try to make sure that we resolved this case and we resolved it in a way that the parties were happy with.
I don't want to be unfair to him either, but I need to be able to live too, and not live in anxiety all the time because I don't have any money. Because when you're someone like me with a very, very low income, my income is under $1,200 a month, you really need the help and support of your attorneys, and I would not have been able to afford another attorney.
Without our sliding scale, they would not be able to have legal representation. That is what St. Andrew is all about, is helping those folks that are shut out from the justice system and providing them an advocate to help them through a really complex legal system. The thing about St. Andrew that I love is that our clients come from so many different walks of life, We really do not pick and choose. We just try to help as many people as possible that come through our door. And that means everyone has their own unique stories, own unique challenges, and we just try to match as many staff attorneys as we can with the clients and help them through the family law system.
Sí, mi abogado, perdón, mi divorcio fue un divorcio por necesario por violencia doméstica, y el haber llegado a la clínica con Simon, con Diana, con personas que fueron tan dulces, tan pacientes conmigo por cuestión del idioma, y que yo me encuentro todavía en un momento muy desesperado de mi vida, pues he pasado 37 años siendo abusada. Para mí fue un gran alivio haber encontrado esta clínica, y las personas que trabajan aquí, pues todos siempre son gentiles, amables, y eso a mí me ayudó muchísimo. Me sentí muy arropada, ya que mi divorcio no era algo simple, era algo muy complicado, porque mi ex esposo hacía las cosas muy difíciles, ya que él no quería el divorcio. No lo creo, ya llevaba muchos meses, demasiados meses sin un abogado, sin asesoramiento legal. He encontrado la clínica de San Andrew. Para mí fue literalmente un milagro. Me sentí ya con una paz en mi corazón, sintiendo que ahora sí había personas que de verdad me iban a ayudar, y que yo, con mis bajos recursos que tengo ahora, podía pagar el servicio, porque de otra manera no hubiera podido divorciarme, no hubiera podido pagar un abogado. Totalmente es una ayuda que no tiene precio, y que yo todos los días de mi vida voy a bendecir a todas esas personas que dan donaciones. No sabía que eso funcionaba de esta manera, y hoy que me enteré, digo, toda mi vida van a estar en mis oraciones esas personas, y todos ustedes que han estado involucrados en mi caso. Seguiré teniéndolos presentes en mis oraciones, porque realmente esas contribuciones de las personas que hacen es una gran bendición. Y de igual manera deseo también que personas que se encuentran en situaciones de desesperación y de dolor, como yo me encontraba cuando llegué aquí a la clínica, de verdad que deseo con todo mi corazón que la clínica los pueda ayudar. Seguir adelante. Para mí, el haberme divorciado es un antes y un después en mi vida. Ahora es empezar a vivir, porque mi vida se paró el día que yo me casé. No fue una semana después, no fueron 3 meses después, exactamente el día que yo me casé por la iglesia, ese día yo empecé a ser abusada. Para mí es un placer poder estar aquí y contar mi historia, porque realmente lo que yo he vivido es algo muy difícil, muy fuerte. Y como les vuelvo a decir, fueron momentos muy complicados, fueron meses de sentirme completamente desprotegida, sin tener el dinero, los medios para poder contratar un abogado. Era una desesperación tremenda. Entonces el poder ahora estar aquí sentada y platicar mi historia, la verdad que creo que es lo menos que yo puedo hacer. Estoy tan agradecida, y lo voy a estar toda mi vida.
You know, every week we need to turn away clients because the need in this community for direct legal representation for family law far outmatches our resources. So if we were to double the revenue that we earn here today, or even if we were just to surpass last year's donation, what it would translate to is St. Andrew providing more legal services to more individuals in this community.
The people St. Andrews helps are really the people that need it the most. we seem to always find the clients who really desperately need someone's help and someone that's willing to champion them and fight as hard as possible.
So we've shown you only just 2 stories here tonight of Brenda and Blanca, but we have so many stories that are similar to theirs. And so a gift tonight really just means that we can help more people, we can do more, and so please consider providing a gift.